Hello friends, please do like and subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest update of my videos. Standard 7th, Chapter 8, Algebraic Expression and Operation on them. Practice set 36. Simplify this term minus this term and choose the right answer. So let's simplify this. See, you have to open all the brackets. So 3x minus 11y. Now this minus. So minus into plus minus 11x. Minus into plus minus 13y. Then this and this. They are common. 3x minus 17x minus 11y minus 13y. So 17 minus 3 we have minus 14x and minus 11 minus 13. So minus minus plus. So this become 24. 24y, but sign will be minus because greater number is minus. So minus 14x minus 24y, but when you see you do not have minus 14 or minus 24. That because this this 14 and 24 they are common multiples of 2. 2 sevens are and 2 12s are. Okay, so and you need minus, so that minus you are taking here. So minus into plus minus, minus into plus minus. See, this is your option. So you get answer fourth sums minus 2 7x plus 12y is your answer. Let's see our second sums. Here the product of this and this is, product means multiplication. So product of this and this. So 23 multiplied by 15. 5 3s are 15, 1 carry, 5 2s are 10, plus 1 11. 1 3s are 3, 1 2s are 2. So 5 4 3 and here you have subtraction. So minus 345. Now x, here you have x square and this cube, so that is x5. Then you have y cube and y. Then you have z 2 and 1 3. So this is your answer. Yeah, the first one. So your first one is your answer, minus 345 x5 y4 and z cube. Now solve the following equation. So solution, 4x, here we can see this is number, so this will come towards right hand side. Okay, so ये जो यहाँ पे प्लस में है ये यहाँ पे आएगा. ओके, so when it changes its place, so plus becomes minus. So 4x equals to 9 minus 1 upon 2. Both the denominator is equal. So 8 upon 2. Then 2 ones are 2 fours are. So finally 4. That means you have 4x equals to 4. So now here it is multiplication. So x is equal to, ये 4 यहाँ नीचे आएगा. So 4. This 4 will come here in numerator. So 4 ones are 4 ones are. X equals to 1. Let's see our second sums. Solution. Here you have 10 equals to 2y plus 5. So what you do, this plus 5 you bring here. So plus 5 becomes minus and 2y will be as it is. So 5 equals to 2y. So then now what you can do, this 2 will come here in denominator. So 5 upon 2. This is your answer. Let's see our third sums. Now you have 5m and this minus 4. Bring it here. So minus will become plus. So 1 plus 4 equals to 5. Here you have 5m equals to 5. M is equal to 5 upon 5. So 5 ones are 5 ones are. M equals to 1. This is your answer. Sixth sums. Now here you have 6x and this minus 1. Take this minus 1 over here. So 3x plus 8 and minus 1 when it change its place, जब minus 1 यहाँ से यहाँ आएगा ना, so it becomes plus. So here 6x equals to 3x plus 8 plus 1 9. Now this 3x you take it over here. Okay, so 6x, this will become minus 6x minus 3x and then 9. So 6 minus 3, 3x and here 9. So this is multiplication. So leave here x and bring this 3 here in denominator. ये मल्टीप्लाई है. So जब यह यहाँ से अपना प्लेस चेंज करेगा, लेफ्ट टू राइट आएगा, so multiply will become division. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. Your final answer is x equals to 3. Now here, your fifth sums. This first solve this bracket 2 into x 2x, then ये number और bracket no, that means it is multiplication. So 2 into x 2x plus into minus minus 2 4s are 8 and 4x plus 2. Then you have now this minus 8 you take here. So you have 2x equals to 4x plus 2 and this minus 8 will come here. Minus will become plus 8. So 2x, 4x plus 8 plus 2, 10. Then further, now what you have to do, this 4x you have to bring here. So it is positive, when it will come this side it will become negative. So plus minus minus, 4 minus 2, 2, but 4 is greater number, क्योंकि 4 बड़ा number है, उसका sign negative है, we will take negative and 10. So now यहाँ पे this x and 2 they are in multiplication form, so this 2 will come here in denominator. Okay, and this minus will be in mid term. So 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10. So you get answer x equals to minus 5. Let's see our 6 sums. Again you have to first solve the bracket. 5 into x 5x, 5 ones are 5 and then 74. So this 5 you will bring here. So 5x equals to 74 minus 5. So 74 minus 5 becomes 69 and 5x. So now x equals to 69 upon 5. Fourth sums. Rakesh's age is less than Sania's age by 5 years. The sum of their ages is 27 years. How old are they? Okay, so let's see how we will solve the sum. यहाँ पे क्या बोला गया है? राकेश एज इज लेस देन सानिया. राकेश की उम्र सानिया से कम है by 5 years. So information has been given about राकेश. राकेश के बारे में जानकारी दी गई है. सानिया के बारे में वी डोंट नो एनीथिंग. सो जिसके बारे में हमको नहीं पता होता है ना, वी टेक एक्स फॉर दैट. सो लेट्स सानिया's age be x. Why? Because we don't know anything about Sania. But we know that हमको पता है राकेश is 5 years less, means younger. So age of Rakesh be x minus 5. Okay, x minus 5. Now further what they are saying, the sum of their ages is sum. This word sum means addition. Okay, this sum means addition. So राकेश की उम्र और सानिया की उम्र, age of Rakesh and sum together is 27. So the sum of their ages equals to x plus x minus 5. Sania's age, Rakesh's age. Okay, so how much it is? X plus x minus 5. They have given it is 27. So here is our equation. Now let's solve this equation. So x plus, we will open this bracket, then 27. So x and x, 2x minus 5 equals to 27. 2x, this minus will come here. 27 plus 5. So 27 plus 5, 32. 2x. So now here it is multiplication. So x and this 2 will come here. Divide by 2. So 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 1 carry, 2 6s are 12. So x is equals to 16. What they have asked, how old are they? So x, who was x? Sania. Sania was x. So age of Sania is 16 years and Rakesh is younger, so x minus 5, that is 16 minus 5, so that equals to 11. So Rakesh is 11 years old and Sania is 16 years old. Fifth sum, when planting a forest, the number of bamboo trees planted was greater than the number of Ashoka trees by 60. If there are altogether 200 trees of these two types, how many jambu trees were planted? So now they have given us information about jamun tree, that jamun trees are greater than number of Ashoka trees. So we do not have information about Ashoka. Ashoka tree के बारे में हमारे पास जानकारी नहीं है. So whenever we do not have information, there we take x. So let Ashoka trees be x. So jambul tree is what? Greater, more. So jambul trees is x plus 60. okay, and together they are forming 200 trees. Together x plus 60 is equals to 200. So let's see how we will solve. First, open bracket, x plus 60 equals to 200. So x plus x, 2x, and this 60 you will subtract over here. So 60, 200 minus 60, it becomes 140, and here you have 2x. So this 2 will come here in bottom. Divide, 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14, 0. X equals to 70. So what they have asked, how many jambul trees were planted? So how many jambul trees planted? We have jambul trees x plus 60. So jambul trees, numbers of jambul trees, x plus 60, no? So that equals to x, we got 70. So 70 plus 60, that is 130. 130 trees. Sixth sum, Shubhangi has twice as many 20 rupees note as she has 50 rupees notes. See, again the information has been given about 20 rupees notes but not about 50 rupees notes. So we will say let Shubhangi have x notes of 50 rupees. Therefore, what they are saying, twice 20 rupees. So 20 rupees note she has twice. So she has 2x notes of 20 rupees. See, this is 50 rupees number of notes and this is 20 rupees numbers of notes. All together she has this much, means after adding this and this she has this much, okay. So total amount she has 2700 rupees. So that means x into numbers of 50 rupees note plus 2x into numbers of 20 rupees notes is equals to 2700. So when we solve this, 50 into x is 50x plus 2 into 20 40 and this x equals to 2700. 50 plus 40 90. 2700. X equals to 2700. This 90 will come here in bottom and it will get divided. 0 and 0 cancel, 9 ones are 9, 9 threes are 27 and this 0 is left. So 0, 9 zeros are 0. X equals to 30. What they want? How many 50 rupees notes does she has? So Shubhangi has 30 notes of 50 rupees. Seventh sum, Virat made twice as many runs as Rohit. So again information has been given about Virat, not about Rohit. So let the total so of their score is 2 less than a double century. How many runs did each of them make? So we do not have information about Rohit. Rohit के बारे में information नहीं है. So let Rohit's score be X. Let Rohit's score be X runs. So therefore Virat is twice. Virat's run is twice. So Virat's score twice, no? So 2x runs. The total score is 2 less than double century. Single century is 100, double century is 200. So 2 less. So that means how we will show total score is 2 less than 200. So that is 200 minus 2. See, 200 they have given double century. So you can directly write 200. So it becomes 198. So that means Rohit's score plus Virat's score is equals to 198. This is your equation. Now let's solve this equation. X plus 2x 3x equals to 198. So this 3 will come here in bottom. So x equals to 198 upon 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 6 are 18. 1 carry. 3 6 are 18. X equals to 66. So x was Rohit's score. So Rohit's run score is equal to 66 runs, and then Virat run scores equals to 2x, that means 2 into 66. So 2 6 are 12, 1 carry, 2 6 are 12, 13. This is our answer.